The 37th Circuit Court is now in session with the Honorable Brian K. Kirkham presiding. Today is Monday, March 13th, 2023 at 8:36 a.m.
Go ahead, Mr. Chapman, when you're ready.
Thank you, Your Honor. Before the court is Brad Judy of case 142641DS. Mr. Judy is here today after failing to appear before referee Croteau on March 3rd, 2022. Bond is currently set at $2,078. This is the third bench warrant. He reports no employment. Last payment made on this account was in October of 2020. Front of the court recommends that a reasonable bond be set in this matter and it be scheduled for hearing on March 22nd, 2023 at 8:00 a.m. before this court.
Mr. Judy, you're before the court charged with civil contempt of court due to your failure to appear at a prior hearing as a result of your failure to pay child support. Purpose of this hearing is to set a bond that would assure your tenant at the next hearing on March 22nd, 2023 at 8:00 a.m. You will get notice of that in writing. Are you able to post a bond, sir?
Yes, I think so.
And how much can you post in a bond?
I'm not sure yet. I'd have to figure it out.
Okay, well, I'm looking at it as your third bench warrant and you haven't paid in now 2.5 years. So court's taking all of that into consideration. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna set your bond in the amount of $500. If you're able to post that, you'd be able to be released. Do you have any questions?
No.
Okay, thank you, sir. We'll conclude this matter and you have a good day.
You do.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Thank you.
All right, we'll see you later.
See you, Jesus.
Okay, my question for you on this monitor here that they've given. What, a lot of times though, does this take the place of that? And then if it is, why haven't they taken that out of it?
That's a good question. I didn't.
Oftentimes what they'll do is they'll add equipment and then they'll leave the other stuff and you end up with all, like I used to have a huge monitor there that didn't work and they finally took it out. So if we don't need that, I don't want it there.
I'll talk to IT about that.
Yeah.
One. I'm only noticing that now. Okay, let's go ahead with the King Short. Last one. Dirty Savage, please unmute. Oh. Okay, can you hear us now?
I can, yeah, thank you.
Okay, so Antoinette was here. I checked her in, but she dropped out of the Zoom call. But hopefully she'll, okay, there she is. Okay, she's done and back now. Okay, I'm gonna call the case now. This is 2022-1737 DM Shallon King Short versus Antoinette King Short. Today is Monday, March 13th, 2023 at 8:40 a.m. Attorney Kelly Podolsky represents plaintiff and attorney Kim Savage, defendant.
Good morning to everyone. I'll
Morning,
start
Chris.
out to note that in this matter, the matter is before the court for a entry of a default judgment. I do note that Ms. Savage has in fact filed an objection. Ms. Savage, I'll ask you, did you file a motion to set aside the default or not? I didn't see that, but
We did, Your Honor, and you denied that motion. That would have been last fall.
Okay,
Actually, it was a stipulation to set it aside.
oh, we did a step to set it aside?
Yeah, and Your Honor denied it, and I don't know the reason, and in all honesty, I didn't inquire.
Okay. Okay, Ms. Podolsky, what's your response to the objection?
Thank you, Your Honor. We just received the objection on Friday. I was out of the office last week. However, it did come through Friday afternoon. This matter, as you know, has been open for at least 6 months now. Because of the default, we were not ordered to participate in mediation, so these parties have not participated in mediation. We did attempt contact with defendant through counsel to try and resolve this matter. We did not hear back, so we did notice up a default judgment for entry today.
Okay. Well, what the court's going to do in this matter is obviously the court has denied the request to set aside the default, so I'll keep that in place. But the court will allow the defendant to be involved as it relates to the disputed issues, and the court is going to send the matter to mediation. Ms. Podolsky, who would you recommend as a mediator in this case?
John Brundage.
Ms. Savage, is Mr. Brundage agreeable?
Yes, Your Honor.
Okay. Ms. Podolsky, you obviously, I know Mr. Brundage is going out a few. Would you be able to get it into mediation in April, do you believe?
I will reach out to Mr. Brundage's office today. Last I knew, he was scheduled out at least through mid-April, but we will reach out to him today. If the court would like us to select a backup, I would offer Lisa McNiff as an option.
Would Ms. McNiff work with you, Ms. Savage, as a alternate?
Also acceptable, Your Honor.
Okay. Well, what I'll do, Ms. Podolsky, is set the mediation for April, and we'll set a settlement conference date in this matter for we'll set it for May 1st at 1:30 p.m. Parties are required to be present. That'll be by Zoom still. But we'll see where we're at that particular point. So Ms. Savage, I'll ask you, if, again, kind of your action initiating this, that you would do an order setting the matter for mediation in April with Mr. Brundage and Ms. McNiff as a backup, and then we'll send you notice of the settlement conference in this matter. Ms. Podolsky, with that, do you want to proceed with your pro-con at this point? We can do that. Or you can wait. It's up to you.
I'll wait, just because if we don't resolve this at mediation and we do have to have a trial, I don't want to forget that we ran that this morning.
Okay. Well, okay, what we'll do is we'll wait on the pro confessor hearing, and we'll proceed in that manner, and we'll end this matter and allow you to go and have a good day.